Greg with Calendarsnack. Thanks for stopping by. You can see I'm in a Google Calendar. We work with both Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar. To create a calendar snack, all you do is use our universal create command. That's create@calendarsnack.com. You see it there. Once you do that and hit save, we send you back in 10 seconds the calendar snack and all its information to the organizer's address. In this case here, greg@techvader.com is the organizer, or me. So that said, I'm hit save. I'm going to send it, and it's going to create a calendar snack and send it back to my address. That address, is right here in the screen. And there's my inbox. You just saw it show up. It's right there. Touch Football Development Day. That's confirmed by this right here. This is the original Touch Football Development Day. This is the calendar snack. I can click it now as I go to this other screen. We're going to launch the new interface, and I'm going to dive into this particular event. So as I scroll down, thanks for bearing with me, I'm looking for my event, and it'll be down here somewhere. There it is right here, Touch Football. Now I'm going to click it, and you can see there's no information yet set up in this event. We send and collect and report on calendar invitations. That said, let's go ahead and send a couple calendar invitations out, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm just going to go into our simplest of all modals. It's just a modal pre-built landing page. We've taken this information here off the calendar, and we've auto-built a landing page for you to use. It's immediately available for use. We have 4 different ones that are scratch built for you, and then we have something called the upcoming landing page, which we'll talk about a little later. For the purpose of the demo, I'm going to go ahead and send out a calendar invitation to Tom at TechVader. So let's just pretend Greg shared this with Tom. Tom now has seen this pre-built landing page. It's going to send a calendar invitation to him. You can see that we do a nice inline modal. I'm going to go to Tom's mailbox here, which is right here, tom@techvader.com. You can see the Touch Football Development just showed up. We actually send out a calendar invitation and ask for a receipt. That means that we work in Outlook and Google the same. It pops open this calendar receipt interface. I'm going to say yes, being Tom here in the demo. And I'm going to go back to the Calendar Snack engine itself, which is essentially the console for Greg. And you can see one invitation was sent. I'm going to go to the detail report and scroll down, and you can see that Tom requested the overall calendar invitation. And I'm going to refresh it, and it should show yes down here at the bottom. And we'll give it one more time here, or 2 more times. You can see here live, it shows yes. So we do count the receipts. The point being is that in the dashboard, you can get to any of this data here. And one of the other features we have is a scratch-built upcoming events page, and you see it here. The Touch Football is included in it. And what this is Greg's calendar snack all event page. So anything in the future you send to us at Calendar Snack in the upcoming dashboard, any of these events that are essentially in the future show up here, and you can share this as a all-in-one calendar landing page, if you will, that anybody can go to. Let's try Bob this time. Bob is going to go in here, and Bob's going to pretend he received this from Greg, and you can click the show event information. But the cool thing about this is that once Bob puts this information in, he can go down to this here and request a calendar invite. He can go to this one or any of these independently, and the calendar invitations are sent to Bob. Now to confirm that, I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh here, and you'll see in Bob's email that the Touch Football one just showed up. The other ones aren't showing up because they've already been sent to Bob, and we do not duplicate those requests. But Bob's going to say maybe this particular event, and we're going to go back to this here, to the landing page. where the event detailed information is for this particular event, touch football for Greg. And you can see two invites have been sent. And so let's go look at the detailed report. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it to calibrate, and you see here that there's one maybe. So Bob and Tom have independently used the multiple event landing page for all events, and then the single event landing page. One said yes, one said maybe. That's it for the demo. Thanks for stopping by.